This tutorial review will show you how to log out of Instagram on all devices. If you're signed into your Instagram account on multiple devices, you might be wondering how you can log out them all at once. It could be particularly useful when you are not sure exactly which devices you are signed in on. It might be your friend's phone or a computer in your school's library you forgot to log out of. Now follow me to log out of Instagram all devices. Open your Instagram profile, tap on this three-line icon at the top right corner, select settings and privacy, select account center, select password and security, and select where you are logged in. Tap on your Instagram profile. Not only will you be able to see where you are logged in right now, but you will also get a list of all devices where you have been signed in recently. Now tap on select all and tap on logout. Tap on logout, and that's how we can log out of Instagram on all devices. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Tutorial River. See you in the next video.